I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a specific niche and defining the value you offer. This focuses growth and ad relevance. Once chosen, create channel assets, banner, logo, and a concise description that signals search intent. Record your first batch of 5-10 videos to learn pacing and editing quickly. Make sure to use consistent thumbnails and titles for click-through testing. Start publishing a minimum schedule, twice weekly or weekly, so YouTube's algorithm has data to rank your content and attract initial subscribers. Once your channel has steady uploads, focus on content that increases watch time and viewer retention. Longer-form how-tos and series work well. Optimize every upload for search with targeted keywords and title and a 200+ word description, and include 3 5-strong tags. At the same time, set up monetization lanes. Enable AdSense when eligible, add affiliate links, launch simple merch or a Patreon tier, and pitch sponsors after 1,000+ subs and consistent view counts. Track metrics weekly to iterate. To scale, batch produce content and outsource editing or thumbnails so you can focus on strategy and collaborations. This multiplies output without burning you out. Reinvest early profits into better gear, targeted ads, and creator partnerships to expand reach and revenue streams. If growth stalls, diagnose. Low click-through suggests thumbnail/title changes. Low retention means tighter intros and pacing. Algorithm drops call for fresh topics or a niche pivot. Keep testing and track revenue mix to prioritize the highest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.